Hi, I'm Aunt Luke, and I'm excited to share my journaling on purpose practice with you. This isn't your typical journaling. We combine simple images with words, color, and pattern to create our journals. In doing this, we're able to access both sides of our brain, and in doing that, we're able to silence that inner chatter and connect more deeply with our thoughts and our feelings. This practice supports self-discovery and personal growth. You'll foster gratitude, process the more difficult experiences, and track your life in a joyful and creative way. No experience is necessary. I've watched fearful students fall in love with this practice, all because my techniques, while unconventional, are stress-free and actually very fun. Journaling prompts are going to help you connect more deeply with your inner world, and you're actually going to start to see creativity start to flow into other areas of your life. You're going to learn to appreciate yourself and your life more, all while having fun in the process. Whether you're an experienced artist or just a beginner, I know you're going to love this practice. I look forward to meeting you and watching you delight in all that you create.